We apologize on the delay. Sorry, we had an entire cast that needed to arrive in one place before we began. Like always, I'd like to thank every member of the media that's taken the time out to be here today. This is an exceptionally important film for all of us. But before I say any further, I'd like you to see the first trailer, the first look of Brothers. Thank you. And I'd like to thank all our partners actually for making this responsible. As you know, Brothers is an official adaptation of the Hollywood cult film Warrior. So I'd like to thank Endemol India for partnering with us on this, along with the support that Lionsgate gave us through the proceedings. It was, as you know, a cult film and has acquired a lot of viral love apart from all the love it got at the box office window when it did release a couple of years ago. More than anything else, I think partnering with a Hollywood studio is always an exceptionally exciting process, and we're very glad to have partnered with Lionsgate and Endemol. This film would not have been possible if it wasn't for the relentless, the emotional, and I would say the invested hard work of the filmmaker Karan Malhotra. I'm very proud to have partnered with him on his very first endeavor, which was a remake of my father's most wished film to have been remade, Agnipath. He lived up to his expectation and gave it the hit tag that I so wanted on it. So it was like literally a son avenging his father's revenge from the box office, which happened thanks to Karan Malhotra. So I have to thank him and his wife, who've been a tremendous support. His wife has also written the adapted screenplay of Brothers and is hugely responsible for what you have seen just now. Before I move any further and speak about the cast, I would actually like to invite the man of the moment, really the reason why we're all here at PVR, Mr. Ajay Bijli, who is here with his brother Sanjeev Bijli, so to really celebrate the spirit of brotherdom. Also, 14th of August, the day of release for Brothers, will also be Brothers Day at all the PVR cinemas and outlets across the country. So I'd like Ajay to come and just tell you in a few words about exactly what that association is. And I'm not only a dear friend, but also a true visionary, Ajay Bijli.
Thanks, Karan, so much. First of all, absolutely overwhelmed by the trailer. Absolutely amazing. So my brother Sanjeev and I are also here, but we're not going to break into a mixed martial arts session just now. just like to say that it's incredible to be associated, and the promotions and the contests, everything that's needed to take this movie to another level. We'd be very happy to be doing that. All the best to the film and to all the cast and everybody. Akshay, Siddharth, Mr. Shroff, everyone.
What are you doing on the 14th of August for us, Ajay? That's more important.
We're going to get into shape and maybe do some promo.
Not you personally. What is PBR doing? We have no interest in your personal shape.
We're doing a proper contest. I think there's one for every one ticket, you get one ticket free. Yeah, if you have a brother, that's right. Okay, and a sister, no,
Not allowed. Jacqueline's the only sister in this film. All right. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you for being here today. Thank you, Sanjeev. Thank you very much. Huge special mention to our partner Fox, who have entered a big alliance with Dharma Productions recently. They're all here with us today. So thank you, Team Fox, that have been a huge support to Dharma Productions for many years. In fact, I partnered with them on My Name is Khan as well. And this is our actually first outing right after that. So we're going to begin the press conference. I'd like to first invite on stage Deepak Dhar, MD, Endemol India. As we said before, Endemol has been a huge support. So thank you, Deepak, and please join us on stage. Thank you. Yeah, we're both in polka dotted shirts. Please have a seat. All right. Ever since I can remember, I've been wanting to partner with the actor himself. He's been somebody who lived in my neighborhood, and I always saw when I was driving as a kid. He was the coolest guy in town. He's still the coolest guy in town. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Jackie Shroff. And as you can see, there's no one cooler than this. All right, it's absolutely imperative to call the captain of the ship, the man responsible for what you saw, truly the heartbeat of Brothers, none other than Karan Malhotra. All right, and the one who made many hearts miss a beat, who else but the gorgeous Jacqueline Fernandez, who is without makeup and was traumatized by Karan for many, many months, and he eventually had to steal her lip gloss. That's something that you'll have to hear about much later. And she still wants it back. What Karan is doing with that lip gloss, we don't know, but we'll talk about that later. All right, the very proud student who's graduated extremely successfully in various ventures after his first outing with us, a student of the year, Siddharth Malhotra. And the one person I was dying to work with for so many years, almost 2 decades, never got the opportunity. But as they say, the wait has to be worth it. And there could not have been a better film than Brothers for Dharma Productions to work with Akshay Kumar. The entire team of Brothers is also here. Thank you very much for joining us. The technical team, as truly all the support the film had. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the cast and the crew of Brothers. And we're open to questions regarding the film. That's that. Just regarding the film. And all right, ladies and gentlemen, we're open. I mean, we are not open. We're open. I don't know about me, but they're not for questions.
Hi,
The mic will be circulated.
जग्गू दादा मेरा सवाल आपसे है आलोक हियर फ्रॉम ओएफएम आपके लेफ्ट में
हाँ बोलो बोल
सवाल मेरा ये आप बीड़ू बोलते हैं और ब्रदर्स नाम की फिल्म थी तो जब इस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताया गया और पता था कि अक्षय और सिद्धार्थ वहाँ होने वाले हैं बेटे के रूप में तो किस तरीके से आपकी प्रिपरेशन थी क्योंकि आप इतने सालों में कभी प्रिपेयर तो करते नहीं खुद को
प्रिपरेशन इसका था बच्चा इसका था मेरे हाथ में दिया संभालने को मैं संभाला जितना संभाल सकता है It's all his. Karan's been really great. He's handled it beautifully. I mean, when he told me, you came to Pune. Pune आके बुढ़े ने कहानी बताया मेरे को बोले कि ये दो बड़े का बाप बनेगा वो बोला आसान है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जब तक तू है तो मेरे को कोई टेंशन नहीं है, because I'd seen a bit of his film Agnipath and I really liked it. He was fantastic. He's a giant of a director. You gotta watch him. What he's got out of me, I think बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने कुछ 150 डायरेक्टर के साथ काम किया लाइफ में, मगर करण बाबा का जगह स्थान बहुत खड़ा है. Bravo, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you.
अक्षय, आपसे सवाल है मेरा कि आपने ओरिजिनल फिल्म देखी है, और देखी है तो उससे कितनी चीजें इस फिल्म में दर्शकों को देखने को मिलेगी उस तरीके की?
जी बिल्कुल, मैंने देखी है फिल्म, और उससे काफी बेहतरीन है.
Hello, this is for Akshay here. Akshay Kumar. Akshay here. Yeah, right side. इस फिल्म में आपका लुक एकदम डिफरेंट देखने को मिला है. तो व्हाट रिसर्च वर्क यू हैव डन ऑन योर लुक्स?
देखिए, मेरा काम रिसर्च करना नहीं था अपने लुक पे. मेरा काम था रिसर्च करना मार्शल आर्ट पे. रिसर्च करना मेरे लुक पे मेरे डायरेक्टर का काम था, तो उन्होंने किया. करण साहब, आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे मेरे रिसर्च, आपके रिसर्च के बारे में?
आई डोंट थिंक, मतलब मैं रिसर्च वर्ड यूज नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज ऐसी रिसर्च नहीं थी. दिमाग में कई बार चीजें आती हैं तो वो हम कर लेते हैं, चाहे उनमें लॉजिकल एंगल हो या ना हो. आई थिंक अक्षय इज लुकिंग लवली द वे ही इज, एंड ही लॉस्ट 10 kgs फॉर दिस पार्ट, and I think that has really helped to make him look even more tougher, even more stronger. 17 kgs for this part. So I think that makes him look tougher, makes him look even more stout, and he looks the part really well.
Yeah, Karan, this is for you. Why this kissing scene has become very important in Bollywood film? Why kissing scene is become a very important in Bollywood film?
You saw this promo of 2.5 minutes and you've seen a kissing scene. Dude, you got issues.
अक्षय जी, मेरा सवाल, अक्षय जी यहाँ पे, अक्षय जी यहाँ पे, ऑन योर लेफ्ट. अक्षय जी, पूरी टीम को कंग्रेचुलेशन, बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा ट्रेलर. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि एक समय ऐसा था जब ऐसी मूवीज आया करती थी, दो भाइयों के झगड़े होते थे, एपिक्स, मतलब जैसे कि दीवार हो गई, राम लखन हो गई. तो आप सबसे जानना चाहते हैं कि आपने कहीं ये स्क्रिप्ट मिस की थी? आपसे, अक्षय जी से, सिद्धार्थ जी से, जैकी जी से और करण जी आपसे भी प्लीज बताइए.
नहीं, did you miss making a two brothers film? That's what he's asking.
I actually have made a two brothers film. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham is a two brothers film. They didn't fight like that, but they cried. That's my weapon.
Hi,
Do you miss?
Siddharth.
Yeah, miss. Well, any of you would answer that? Do you think Indian cinema misses the two brother conflict film?
नहीं, आती रहती है हर साल में, हर 2 साल में एक बार कोई ना कोई भाइयों की कहानी आती रहती है. So I don't think so. And Indian cinema is known for these kind of films, दो भाइयों की कहानी, बाप और बेटे की कहानी. So I don't think people miss it, because ये कहानियां तो आप अगर आप ढूंढने जाएंगे तो आपको हजारों मिलेंगी अंदर, हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के अंदर.
Hi, Siddharth. This is
क्या बोलो?
Doesn't look like he's missed it.
मगर जब बाबा बना रहा था तो बोल रहा है कि he was always talking about the same old film, what you talking about, Ram Lakhan and all that. He said कि that's always been my inspiration and I want to make it. और ये भाई भाई ये फैमिली का सीन तो चलते रहेगा ना, बड़ो इमोशन तो वही है सब.
Hi, Siddharth. This is Urvi here, to your right. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Siddharth, Akshay is known for doing such action. Was it difficult for you to train yourself for this character? And were you ever skeptical that how you would, match up to Akshay's level?
Yes, of course. Akshay sir.
Should I answer this question, if that's okay?
अच्छा
with
सर,
you?
हाँ.
I think he has done so brilliantly, so brilliantly. I'm shocked myself. Yes, because he doesn't have a background of martial art or any kind of thing, but this boy has worked day and night in the gym, learning all the kind of moves, all kind of different kind of arts, whether it's jiu-jitsu or aikido, things which I don't think he even knew about it also. But this boy has done it, and I'm shocked myself that somebody can work so hard also. I thought I was a hard-working person, but here he comes, the man who works more harder than me.
Not at all, because you knew everything, sir.
So it was not at all hard for him. It was very easy for him because he's been kicking and punching since I've seen all your films. I mean, खिलाड़ी के ज़माने से आप.
Thanks for reminding me of my
Yes,
my
बड़े
age.
भैया, बड़े भैया.
Siddharth,
But it was very nerve-wracking. I was very nervous, very upset. I was only, I think, obsessing about the way I look and my technique. I was troubling Karan Malhotra all the time on set. या तो मैं सिर्फ ट्रेन करता था, या तो खाना खाता था, या सोता था. तो तीन ही चीजें कर रहा था 4 महीने के लिए. हाँ, अकेले सोता था. हाँ. मैं सिर्फ तीन चीजें कर रहा था because वहाँ पे वो भी allowed नहीं हमारी ट्रेनिंग में. तो बड़ी मेहनत करी and hopefully it should all come together when the film comes out.
सिद्धार्थ, अगर अक्षय आपके बड़े भाई होते रियल में तो कौन सी ऐसी चीज थी जो आप उनसे सीखते?
Actually, being on set with Akshay sir is like being in a Punjabi joke book. मतलब हर घंटे और आधे जोक्स में बता भी नहीं तक बाकी लोगों को because थोड़े बहुत नॉन वेज भी होते हैं. तो
थोड़े बहुत नहीं, पूरे
पूरे हाँ करेक्ट. सो आई थिंक इनकी जो वोकैबुलरी है पंजाबी में, इनसे पंजाबी सीखता जरूर. मेरे खानदान में हम लोग होके भी बोलते नहीं हैं. और किकिंग पंचिंग तो मेरे को हेल्प कर ही चुके हैं एक्शन में, मार्शल आर्ट्स में जितना करते हैं. तो आई थिंक या इनका जो लहजा है पंजाबी का.
Akshay, hi.
I have to say on that Punjabi note, I have to say something that, you know, when my father and various producers in the 70s made movies, predominantly every producer was Punjabi. So the spoken language on set was always Punjabi. After, I think, 2.5 decades, when I visited the sets once on Brothers, I found the director and the two actors talking. I felt I'd walked into a Punjabi film set. The three of them were very seriously discussing an intense scene in Punjabi. It was actually really took me back into the 70s and the decades that, you know, I think all the major motion picture producers operated in. It's a great nostalgia feeling.
Akshay, hi Akshay. Yo. पहले हमने जब सिद्धार्थ को देखा था तो डेफिनेटली वी यूज्ड टू फील लाइक ही लुक्स टोटली लाइक यू. आई मीन टू से एक जो स्टार होता है जिनकी पर्सनालिटी होती है, हाइट, बॉडी एंड यू कैन से एवरीथिंग लाइक यू नो. तो आप मानते हो जब इनके साथ अभी काम किया तो ही इज लाइक यू एंड मे बी शायद आपके नक्शे कदम पर चलेंगे और आगे हाउ मच लॉन्ग ही इज गोइंग टू गो?
मैं ये नहीं जानता कि मेरे नक्शे कदम पे चले या नहीं. मेरे नक्शे कदम कोई ऐसे नहीं है जो कमाल के ये चले. मैंने भी काफ़ी कुछ ज़िंदगी में बहुत चोटें खाई हैं, उठा हूँ, फिर चोटें खाई हैं, फिर उठा हूँ. आई होप इसकी जो आगे ज़िंदगी है इसे गिरना ना पड़े, बस हमेशा संभलता चलता हुआ चले जाए.
How much are you inspired, Siddharth? You talk about Akshay actually. How much are you inspired?
A lot, you know, as I said, in case I think being on this set, even with Jackie sir, Akshay sir, there were such senior technicians here on. You get to learn how they conduct themselves on set. काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, कैसे अपने काम को संभालते हैं, बाकी चीजें संभालते हैं. Sir के साथ obviously action था. Jackie sir, who's too cool for every school and every set. You know, just the way they deal with their work. हम लोग चौथी पे चले, तो काफी कुछ anxiety, nervousness होती है. I think so. Akshay sir had a big hand in पूरा जो सेट का माहौल इनके पंजाबी जोक से, नॉनवेज जोक से जो ये करते थे बराबर हमारे इंटेंस सीन्स में, that has helped our performance a lot. So yeah, I think lots to learn.
Karan.
I think the audience predominantly is ready for good content, and I think you present that in any kind of genre, it'll always resonate with an audience. I recently, if you see this, the films that have done well, even in the recent past, it's always content overriding anything else. Similarly, I think whether it is Brothers or the previous works of Dharma Productions, what I react to is always as a cinegoer, and to me as a cinegoer, for me, Hindi cinema has always meant, you know, a certain syntax of emotion that I hope, you know, always connects. So even Brothers, when Karan narrated the brilliant adaptation that Ekta had written to me for Brothers, the one thing, the core connect, I don't know anything about mixed martial arts and I can't pretend to know. Just the way these men fight is something, I would never be able to direct a film like this. I'm incapable. But what I did resonate with was the deep emotion the film has. It has a very strong emotional connect. In fact, it's Jacqueline in an avatar that you have not seen before. She and Akshay and Sid and Jackie have these at opposite poles of actually emotion that all come together efficiently. So all four of them actually have done work that they've never done before. And that emotional connect is the soul and the whole of Brothers. More than the action, it's the emotion that overrides it. It's a film that actually deeply connects with a vast audience, I believe.
Karan, then what we saw.
Firstly, I would like to clarify one thing, that it's not a boxing ring. It's MMA, mixed martial arts. So the film is not a boxing film per se. It's about mixed martial arts. And the ring that has been constructed is an authentic design for the ring in which mixed martial arts happen world over. So our art designer, Mr. Suresh Salvarajan, fantastically did a brilliant job with great research in it. And if it looks authentic, it's because of him. He did a great job with it. Yeah.
Here, still here. Huh. Jacqueline, how was it working with such good-looking men like this, and with a movie with such a high testosterone? All, no, I didn't say one. Good-looking men.
Signed it.
All five of us. What do you mean?
Good-looking men.
You've not seen Karan and me fight in the ring.
All of them. How? Just tell us, how was it working in such a movie with such high testosterone riding it?
I'm just saying, like, why do you think I signed this movie?
Akshay,
Oh, no, no, please.
Akshay,
Jacqueline was traumatized because when she was she didn't know what to do. She was meant to be the sister-in-law of one and the wife of the other. So it was tough for her, really. It wasn't easy.
So tough. No, actually, my first few couple of scenes were in that MMA ring, and so it was entertaining because we had Sid and Akshay in the ring fighting, and so I thought to myself on my first day, this is a good movie for me. At least I'll have fun throughout this movie. But yeah, I think more than anything, this is my first Dharma production, and also working with Karan Malhotra has I think made me. It's almost like I feel like I've done like 10 movies, just doing this one movie, because he's taught me so much. He's been very patient, and I've never actually done a role like this before, so there was a lot of hesitancy, and he kind of like, him and Ekta, they were there for me, and they kind of raised all of that, and even Karan was very, I think, encouraging. And of course, working with Akshay again, we worked in Household too, but we were not opposite to each other. So this was a great experience, even just in terms of the roles that we're both playing. I didn't have much with Sid, but
nothing at all, actually. You will only see me half naked every day fighting with him.
Yeah,
That's all we
that
did.
was it. I'm not complaining. And even Jackie sir, I think, it's just such an honor just to be on this stage. It's just such an amazing
Thank you, lady.
bunch of men. So yeah.
Akshay,
सर आपके
Akshay,
सामने
on your
अमित
left.
फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण आपके लिए लाइफ की बिगेस्ट
सबसे बड़ी जिंदगी की फाइट, एक्चुअली मैं जिंदगी को एक फाइट की तरह तो नहीं लेता हूँ कि मैं कोई लड़ वड़ नहीं रहा हूँ और ना मैं कोई दौड़ रहा हूँ. मैं एक ज़िंदगी को एक बहुत ही प्यार से लेता हूँ और काम करता हूँ, मेहनत करता हूँ, परिवार के साथ रहता हूँ और ज़िंदगी को बहुत आराम से ज़िंदगी गुजारना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि ज़्यादा लड़ झगड़ के अगर ज़िंदगी में अपना स्ट्रेस लूँगा तो मेरी जो ज़िंदगी है बहुत छोटी हो जाएगी. और क्योंकि हाल ही में मैं एक हॉस्पिटल में गया हुआ था तो वहाँ देख रहा था 35 से लेके 40 तक के लड़कों को हार्ट अटैक आया हुआ है, and all because of stress, and they are taken stress so much. So that is what I feel, that मेरे लिए मैं कोई लड़ता वड़ता नहीं हूँ जिंदगी.
अक्षय जी यहाँ पे, अक्षय जी, सिद्धार्थ मेरा आपसे एक सवाल है कि जो बॉक्सिंग जो हुआ है एक्शन,
उस लुक को चेंज करने के लिए या उससे अलग दिखने के लिए क्या क्या चीजें की हैं, बिकॉज उसमें हम लोग ऑलरेडी आपका एंग्री यंग मैन लुक देख चुके हैं.
बहुत चीजें, आई थिंक ऑल थैंक्स टू करण मल्होत्रा. उन्होंने पहले एक तस्वीर दिखाई मुझे 4 महीने पहले, एक 6 फुट 4 इंच का गंजा रेसलर. तो पहले डर गया कि पहले बाल काटने पड़ेंगे, ऐसा कुछ आई थिंक इज नॉट रिफरिंग टू, पर वो सिर्फ वजन दिखा रहे थे उसका। तो वो भी बहुत कम टाइम था करने के लिए, 4 महीने में। तो जैसा कि कहा, उसमें हमारी ट्रेनिंग शुरू हुई, हमारे ट्रेनर्स आए अमेरिका से, हमारी एक टीम थी जिन्होंने हमें ट्रेन किया डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स की। मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज मेरा बैकग्राउंड नहीं है सर की तरह। तो मैंने तकरीबन 4 महीने सिर्फ वही किया और कुछ नहीं किया। फिर लुक पे काम किया, थैंक्स टू आलिम जिन्होंने किया, और करण मल्होत्रा के रेफरेंस से वी ट्राइड अ न्यू लुक। पहली बार इतनी बड़ी दाढ़ी और बस जस्ट टू मेक इट कन्विंसिंग, पहले से अलग दिखना था। करण मल्होत्रा का ये था कि ही वांटेड टू बैलेंस इट आउट, अक्षय सर 10 किलो घटाएंगे तो मैं 10 किलो बढ़ाऊंगा। तो वही कोशिश थी। सर आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे कम करने के लिए, मैं बढ़ाने में लगा था।
करण सर, जो मतलब चेंज हम देख रहे हैं धर्मा और मतलब यशराज की फिल्मों में, जो उनका मिजाज पहले होता था और अब जो मतलब दिख रहा है, इस चेंज को हम लोग किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं कि मतलब यशराज भी मतलब रस्टिक फिल्में बनाने लगा है, आपके प्रोडक्शन से एक्शन फिल्में मतलब निकलने लगी हैं।
देखिए, ये मैं कोई जॉनर के पीछे तो भागता नहीं, मैं फिल्म के पीछे भागता हूँ। वी चेज कंटेंट। तो जहां मुझे फिल्म अच्छी लगी, स्क्रीन प्ले अच्छी लगी, आइडिया अच्छी लगी, तो वो बनाते। मैं ऐसा कोई फोकस नहीं हूँ कि आई विल चेस अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ एक्शन ही या थ्रिलर ही या कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक फ्रेंडली फिल्म। जो मुझे कहानी अच्छी लगे, जो मुझे लगे कि ये कहानी एक ऐसी ऐसी कहानी है जो दर्शकों को देखना चाहिए, तो मैं वही फिल्म बनाना चाहता हूँ। We have just, ladies, just last 2 questions from the house. Thank you so much.
You just said that you have gained weight for this movie, and then for Kapoor and Sons, you have to lose weight. So don't you think that it affects your health?
सॉरी, आप किधर हो?
Either.
अच्छा, वो रहे। हाँ। Of course, it is not recommended or so healthy, but I think तरीके हैं। आप अगर ध्यान से उसके लिए पढ़ाई करो scientifically, अगर you have trainers to train you for that, and you have a correct diet, there's always a way to lose a particular weight or gain it. I struggled mostly to gain, I think, because मैंने कभी लाइफ में इतना कुछ खाने की कोशिश नहीं करी है कि 10 किलो बढ़ाना है, या अगर पेट भी आए तो ठीक है। आई थिंक हैट्स ऑफ टू करण हु मेड अस कंफर्टेबल कि उनको एकदम एस्थेटिकली करेक्ट 6 पैक एक मॉडल टाइप या एक उस किस्म की बॉडी नहीं चाहिए थी। ही वाज कंसर्न्ड बाय जस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ वेट, कि कन्विंसिंग लगे कि मैं इनके बराबर खड़ा हो सकूं एक रिंग में। और अब जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कपूर एंड सन्स के लिए मैं अभी इनका और भी छोटा भाई लग रहा हूँ शायद।
Jacqueline, on your left. Jacqueline, you are playing young mom role in this movie. So it is challenging for you.
Yeah, for sure, because not a mom, and and it wasn't also your ordinary situation or an ordinary family. It went a lot more dramatic, and it got a lot more deeper than that. So it's a young mother's struggle with her husband and her daughter, and that's why I just thank God that I was in such great hands of Karan, because I was really kind of like thrown into the deep end with this one. So but yeah, I'm so grateful for whatever I've learned on this movie, because it's helped me immensely as an actress.
Akshay आपसे सवाल मेरा है कि
Akshay here on your right, Akshay. Here. Okay, Akshay, just now, Karan said that it's content that rules the audience's heart. And recently, we have seen examples of content-driven stories that wins audiences. Do you think actors are now ready to reduce their remuneration to back content-driven stories, if need be, small budget films? If it's a good content, are they ready to reduce their remuneration for that?
Are they ready to remove their remuneration?
Not remove, reduce. Yeah.
I heard
Reduce.
To back
I
a
also want to
content-based
know.
story.
Yes, surely, Karan. You should know about it.
I'm begging.
Well, the best way out is the actor himself becomes a producer. Okay? So you don't have to, because you don't have to charge yourself.
And the producers become an actor.
So वो देखिए, आज वेलवेट के कपड़े पहन के आए, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप एक्टर नहीं हैं।
अरे क्या जले पे नमक छिड़क रहे हो यार?
मैंने जले पे नमक, तूने ही मेरे को कुछ बोलने पे मजबूर किया, मैं चुप बैठा हुआ था।
मैं तो वही करता हूँ, ये मेरा काम है। मैं आपका बीवी का बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऐसे ही नहीं हूँ।
हाय जैकी दादा, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि कल की रात सलमान खान ने एक ट्वीट किया ब्रदरहुड के ही बारे में कि इंडस्ट्री में कई ऐसे सारे फैंस हैं जो नाम अलग अलग लेकर के एक्टर्स का गाली गलौज करते हैं। फिर सलमान ने ये भी कहा कि मैं ट्विटर छोड़ दूंगा अगर आप लोग ऐसा करेंगे। उन्होंने फैंस को ये हिदायत दी। तो जग्गू दादा आपसे भी और मंच पे जो लोग भी हैं, क्योंकि आप सब ट्विटर फॉलो करते हैं, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे सलमान के इस वक्तव्य पे जो उन्होंने ये कहा?
बोलो अपनी अपनी बात है वे, उसके दिमाग में ये आया तो उसने ये बोला, अब उसको मैं क्या एनालाइज करूंगा। मैं अपना सोच रहा हूँ, अपना देख रहा हूँ, मैं अपना भाई लोग की बात सुन रहा हूँ इधर बैठ के, तू मेरे को कहाँ लेके जा रहा है एनालाइज करने। मैं सोच के बोलूंगा, मिलना, नंबर दे रहा हूँ, jackie.shroff@gmail, मेरे को मेल कर। No, no, really, mail me. I'll think about it, man.
ये आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, सॉरी। जी,
उधर भी चल रहा है।
हाँ, ये हमारा मिलाप इतना समय क्यों लगा? आई थिंक कि मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा था ये भी कि टू बी रीच द राइट फिल्म, एंड आई अक्षय विल हिमसेल्फ अग्री कि इससे बेटर पिक्चर नहीं हो सकती थी for Dharma Productions to kind of liaise with Akshay Kumar with. I think this was a film that Akshay also really wanted to do. We really wanted Akshay. I think he was an indispensable casting, and I think Karan Malhotra will agree that he's had the best experience with Akshay on this film, with all the actors on this stage, I think. And Akshay truly, in a sense, when you see the film, you know that this is Akshay Kumar like never before. And I'm very proud and very honored to have worked with Akshay Kumar on Brothers.
Karan,
I'm
hi.
sorry, ladies
Karan,
and gentlemen. I'm sorry, I'll have to break the part. You have one. You have one more.
Karan, can we just?
Yes, sir.
सत श्री अकाल बाजी, दसो। जी 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 सर, जी सर, जी बड़ू। कुछ खोने का नहीं, कुछ पाने का नहीं। तेरे पता है ना बिड़ू, क्या खोया और क्या पाया? माँ गई, बाबा गया, ब्रदर गया, मेरा भाई गया, ये गया, कृष्णा, टाइगर, औरत, ये आई। मतलब यू नो व्हाट आई मीन बेब। तीन गया, तीन आया, बाकी चल रहा है। मैं सोचने का नहीं पाजी आया, मतलब ये व्हाट वी ट्राइंग टू से।
Hi, Jacqueline.
सत्य बाजी क्या
Hi,
बोलना क्या?
Jacqueline. The question for you here.
Sorry, are you complete, bro?
Hi,
You're right.
Jacqueline.
क्या बोलना चाह रहा है?
Jacqueline, you've done like.
बिंदास है यार, बिंदास। बता।
1 minute, 1 minute.
Jacqueline, you've really done some interesting. Hi, Jacqueline. Yeah. Jacqueline, you've obviously done a lot of interesting projects now, and you've shown like a variety of range in what you're choosing. But there's obviously a sequel coming out for Cake, and we're going to miss you in that. And Salman has said that he's kind of you won't be there. Little on that, please. On Cake 2.
I actually was not aware that there was a sequel, but if Salman has said it, then obviously yes. And that's fine because I mean, honestly, like Kick was the best experience of my life, and I think that he's already done so much for me. Hopefully, we'll be able to work in other movies, and if not for Kick 2. Yeah, but I could never, ask for more because I feel like he's already done so much. So yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. I'm sure that we would like to go on and on, but we've come to a close to this press conference. Brothers, as you know, releases on the 14th of August. We're very happy you came here today. It's a big war between a man and a boy, between two brothers, and helmed by Karan Malhotra. Nobody's listening to me. And that's okay. We'll give you photographs and we'll go. Thank you.
Thank you.
नहीं सकता खराब था मेरा भी इसका आपका नहीं होगा